Hello everyone. Today we will start the procedure on invasive and non-invasive. ये ओबीसी का लेक्चर है, तो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कैसे कैसे होता है. तो हम फर्स्टली देखते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन. मेनी चेंजेस अगर इन वुमेन्स बॉडी ड्यूरिंग द प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान जो फीमेल्स होती हैं उनकी बॉडी में बहुत सारे चेंजेस होते हैं. दीज चेंजेस आल्दो मोस्ट अपेरेंट इन द रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन इन्वॉल्व दियर बॉडी सिस्टम एज वेल. ये जो चेंजेस होते हैं रिप्रोडक्टिव ट्रैक्ट्स में या रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स में होते हैं, और ये अदर बॉडी पार्ट्स में भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. वीक्स में पास बिफोर द फैमिली रियलाइज शी हैज़ बिकम प्रेग्नेंट एंड शी लर्न्स about to visit doctor and others reason. Confirmation her pregnancy is the most important for the health and welfare of herself and the baby. In this lesson we will cover the tests used to determine the pregnancy. First, the risk approach screening, blood testing. Excessive weight of the mother due to the fluid retention. Falling weight also poses the risk as there can be intrauterine growth retardation. Pre-existing hypertension, that is called PIH. Excess amount or decreased amount of the amniotic fluid is another risk factor. And other approaches which should be followed for the high risk cases जैसे नॉन इन्वेसिव एंड इन्वेसिव मेथड यूज़ किए जाते हैं. फर्स्टली जो होता है नॉन इन्वेसिव मेथड, एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ द वोमेन्स यूट्रस फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड द बेबी, listening the fetal heart sound, external fetal monitoring. It include the ultrasonography, cardio tocography, non-stress test, contraction stress test, amniotic fluid index. Invasive methods में आता है chorionic villus sampling, amniocentesis, fetoscopy, MSAFP, maternal serum alpha fetoprotein. Other include the chordosynthesis and amnioscopy. तो फर्स्टली हम देखते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होते हैं इन्वेसिव एंड नॉन इन्वेसिव डायग्नोसिस का. टू रिड्यूस द मैटरनल एंड fetal mortality rate, to check the fetal growth and development, to enable timely medical and surgical treatment of a condition before birth, to give the parents to change the chance to abort a fetus with the diagnosed condition, to give parents to chance to prepare physiological, psychological, financial and the medically for baby with the health problem or disability and likelihood of stillbirth. कॉमन इंडिकेशन ये तो हम लोग देखेंगे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं नॉन इन्वेसिव मेथड ऑफ द डायग्नोसिस, अल्ट्रासोनोग्राफी, कार्डियो टोकोग्राफी, नॉन स्ट्रेस टेस्ट, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन स्ट्रेस टेस्ट, एमनियो फ्लूइड इंडेक्स AFI. अल्ट्रासोनोग्राफी is a diagnostic technique which use the high frequency sound waves to create an image of internal organ. ठीक है. A screening ultrasound is the sometime done during the course of pregnancy to check the normal fetal growth and verify the due date. It is a safe, non-invasive, accurate and cost-effective investigation. Hard tissue such as a bone appear white on the image and soft tissue appear as a grey. That is the ultrasonography. Indication क्या होता है? In the first trimester to establish the date of pregnancy, to determine the number of fetus and identify the placental structure, to diagnose an ectopic pregnancy or miscarriage, to examine the uterus and other pelvic anatomy, in the some cases to detect the fetal abnormalities as anencephaly. Mid trimester, sometime also called the 18 to 20 weeks scan, to confirm the pregnancy date or gestational age, to determine the number of fetus examination, placental structure, to assess the parental prenatal tests such as amniocentesis, chordosynthesis, to examine the fetal anatomy for presence of abnormalities, to check the amount of amniotic fluid by the measuring of AFI, to examine blood flow patterns, to check the location of placenta, to see if it's covering cervix, to observe fetal behavior and activity. Third trimester, to monitor the fetal growth, to check the IUGR, detailed anatomical survey, to check the amount of amniotic fluid, to determine the position of fetus, to assess the placenta. Type of ultrasonography performed during the pregnancy. Two types होता है, abdominal ultrasonography, transvaginal ultrasonography. Abdominal ultrasound में is called is in an abdominal ultrasound gel is applied to the abdomen and an ultrasound transducer glide over the gel on the abdomen to create the image. ट्रांस एब्डोमिनल यूएसीजी, ये ध्यान से देख लीजिए, यही होता है. फिर ट्रांस वेजाइनल अल्ट्रासाउंड, ए स्मॉलर अल्ट्रासाउंड ट्रांसड्यूसर इज इंसर्टेड इनटू वेजाइना, रेस्ट अगेंस्ट द बैक ऑफ वेजाइना टू क्रिएट इमेज. ए ट्रांस वेजाइनल अल्ट्रासाउंड्स प्रोड्यूस ए शार्पर इमेज and it's often used the early pregnancy. ट्रांस वेजाइनल यूएसजी है, पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवरी दिखा रहा है, ओवरीज एंड ये सब है. ट्रांसड्यूसर है. इंडिकेशन फॉर द ट्रांस वेजाइनल अल्ट्रासाउंड, अर्ली मंथ ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी इन हाई फ्रिक्वेंसी ऑफ साउंड वेव यूज टू द ग्रेटर रिजोल्यूशन इज पॉसिबल. टू typical gynecological indication includes the uterine size, evaluation of endometrium, myometrium and cervix. Contraindication, allergy to latex, vaginal infection. Nursing responsibility before the procedure, explain the procedure, purpose of procedure and how it will done. Advise to drink lots of water so that full bladder to capture the clear image. Provide privacy, provide supine position, that is called dorsal position. The abdominal wall is prepared and draped. Check the USG. Procedure, trans abdominal USG में explain the procedure to the patient, provide the privacy, provide the supine position to the patient, apply gel. Transvaginal, a probe is placed into the vagina instead of over the abdomen. Provide dorsal lithotomy position with empty bladder. Vagina probe should be lubricated with gel and probe should be inserted in an appropriate covering sheath such as condom. The sheath covers probe is gently advanced up to vaginal canal. If ultrasound done, then the week 11 it is would be transvaginal. Safety of USG, ultrasound brings the no long term or short term harm to both mother and babies. In fact, it is useful scanning tool because the waves are very low intensity. There is no danger in repeating the scans if your condition merits it. However, if pregnancy is normal, then the 2 routine scan as a part of antenatal care. More scans are only necessary if any medical condition. Advantages of USG, complex structure can be viewed in a single image. Stored data can be reviewed at any plane later on without needing the patient. It helps to get the second opinion if required. Prenatal diagnosis of certain anomalies is improved. Photos of 3-dimensional image improves antenatal parental bonding and important teaching tool. Cardiotocography, Cremer's first demonstrated this method in the 1904. This test is of fetal heart rate and uterine contraction are graphically recorded. It is generally performed in the 3rd trimester. The machine used to perform the monitoring FHR called a cardiotocograph or electric fetal monitoring or external fetal monitoring. Cardiotocography क्या होती है? That is the machine. And cardiac tocography का ये भी मशीन है. एंड प्रोसीजर कैसे होता है? दैट इज़ द एक हम लोग अंदर से चले जाएंगे, एक बाहर से प्रोब लगाते हैं. ट्रांसड्यूसर, ये उसकी हार्ट रेटिंग. एडवांटेजेस एंड ड्रॉबैक्स, हेल्प टू डिटेक्ट द हाइपोक्सिया इन अर्ली स्टेज, दैट इज़ एडवांटेज. रिड्यूस द फेटल डेथ. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू रिकॉर्ड द फॉर मेडिको लीगल पर्पजेज. ड्रॉबैक्स क्या है? इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज द एक्सपेंसिव एंड ट्रेन पर्सन आर द रिक्वायर्ड टू इंटरप्रिटेट. मदर हैज़ टू कन्फाइन इन अ बेड. ड्यू टू द फॉल्स प्रिडिक्शन, cesarean section rate may be high. Non-stressors test is a simple, painless procedure in which the baby heartbeat continuously monitored for 20 minutes or along with the recording fetal movement. The logic behind this test is like adults, as a baby heartbeat sound accelerates when it is active, that is moving or kicking. Principle, there is a escalation of fetal heart rate which is with each fetal movement. Performing time, the non-stressors can be done whenever needed arises, so there is no specific time for it, around 30 weeks. Indication for NST, women with the pre-existing medical conditions such as diabetes, Women with the pregnancy-induced medical conditions such as hypertension, baby is less active than normal. Baby is small for its age. The amniotic fluid is either too much or too little. Women who have previously lost their babies in a second half of their pregnancies. Women with the pregnancies continue after the 40 weeks is basically check on the well-being of baby. Nursing responsibility: explain the procedure before performing the test. Inform the consent should be given feeder testing, and the woman has to right to refuse this test if she chooses. Provide lateral position or semi-followers position or the sitting position to the woman. The recording obtained with the patient lie down on left side or lateral recommended position. Avoid to supine hypotension. That is the procedure. The procedure is two electronic devices will be strapped to the mother abdomen. The transducer ultrasound will be monitor baby's heartbeat. The other device will be record any uterine contraction felt by the mother, while fetal movement is recorded by the pressing a button which makes the mark on the strip. If there is no movement, fetus is stimulated manually or the maybe with a buzzer. The test take time 20 minutes or to an hour. That is the procedure. Advantage है, it is a non-invasive test. This is the test is a simple, inexpensive, takes less time. There is no contraindication or complication. There is no special expertise required. Provide immediate answer. It can be repeated as many times as required without any risk. Contraction is